content regarding tutorial. And it's just recently I experienced a very stressing and situation that leads me to share with you this tutorial. And I hope as well as you are stressing now, you will find this one as a solution to it. And I can guarantee you, this is a solution video. This is not just for viewing, but this is solution to your problem. Now, looking this video, I know you have the same experience as me, that we went to a family link. Family link is not the link you have to go if you have YouTube channel. So let me tell you briefly what experience I've been through. So I have a channel, second channel under my daughter's name, which is Hadassah Kayla. And what happened with Hadassah Kayla's channel, she has been monetized just a week ago. And what I did is that I actually changed right away the years of her birth, since it's monetized, to the year that she is really born. That leads her to be very much underage because she's only 14 months. And straight away, I received a notification that if her account in Google will not be linked to a Google account who is age more than 13 years old, then her account will be deleted. And that stressed me straight away. Without thinking, I linked it straight away into family link, thinking that I don't want it to delete the account since she has a YouTube channel in it. Now, not knowing, once you're gonna be in the family link situation, we all know we cannot get out from there until the child account turns into 13 years old. Now, that happens to me. The moment I linked her Google account to to family link, she lost her YouTube channel as well as the subscribers. It went no channel. She has no access, but I have the access to delete her account. Now, the sad thing about this is that I worked so hard for her channel. But without further ado, I will lead you to the resolution to your problem. And this solution is, you're gonna gain back your channel as well as the subscribers, and it's still monetized. If you are in the situation where you don't have channel but you just want the account to be independent, this is also a solution. But I'm just pointing out that if you happen to have a YouTube channel, I can guarantee you that you will still have the YouTube channel, despite that they will send you an email that your AdSense has been disabled. It's still automatically as the moment you retrieve the account into independent, then you will still have back your channel as usual. Okay, so let me take you through. Okay, here, so you click your family link apps on your phone. After clicking the apps, this page will appear to you. On the top left, those three lines on the top, you click that one and then pick the account which is under supervision. So the tutorial that I actually added is the name Lala. So I click that one and then you scroll down. Right in the bottom, you find the word that says choose settings. You click it. And then you go right in the bottom and the one that says account info. So you click that one. Okay, so once you arrive here, you will see that on the top right hand corner, a pencil icon or symbol. So you click that to edit. Now, in this situation, when I am making this tutorial, today is the 9th of August, and we wanted to create a birthday just a day before the person turned 13. Otherwise, you cannot change it. If it's the birthday is already past 13 years old, it's not gonna be accepted. So you have to put here. So today's date is the 9th. So I will put here 10th. And then I'll put also August. And then the year will be 2008. So meaning to say, I will turn 13 on the 10th of August 2021. That's when I turn 13. So I click that one, the check on the top right hand to confirm, to save it. That's it. So I changed the date of birth. Putting more than 13 years old is not gonna be accepted. So that's the only way. Now that's done. After it's done, tomorrow you have to wait for at least 1 day to 2 days to receive an email from Google that you are already ready to be independent account. Sometimes it may take a while, depend which country you are, because I think the time is depending on US time frame. So you have to wait until you receive the email from them. Now I will show you what type of email you will receive. The email that I received when I was trying to retrieve my daughter's account. The first one on the top, it says Google, you're now in charge of your Google account. So when you click that one, so this is the email that I received for my daughter. They say, dear Yuli, this email confirms your decision to take charge of blah blah blah, the email, and they say here your parents can no longer manage your account with family link. Okay, that means deleting you go already. And in the bottom part here, you can see you can use your Google account to manage your settings. When you click that one, there are the options where it says ready to take charge now on your own account, and then you click yes, follow all the prompts and properly. So that's all what you need. That's all. When it's done, it's already fixed. And if you happen not to receive the email and it's already past few days and you did not receive an email, you are also able to retrieve it. And the only way to retrieve it is you going to your browser of your account, and on your account you type families, okay, families.google.com/graduation. Okay, so I will not press it because I don't want to do any silly thing, but that's what you have to type on your browser, families.google.com/graduation. When you click that, you will have the same outcome like the way you receive the email when you click that Google account take in charge, and then it's the same prompt. Now just follow the instruction and that's it. Now if for some reason, even though you're already 13 in the date that you put, and then still they say it's error and it doesn't lead you, doesn't open a page, that means that the system hasn't been changed yet in the US system. So you have to wait. Once it's already updated in the system, you will have the prompt that says, are you ready to take on hold your own account? Yeah. Now that's very tricky, but if you don't understand anything that I was explaining, feel free to comment below and I'll be happy to reply to you. Now you can straight away head to your YouTube channel, and don't be scared. They will say create channel, and they will say create channel. You can click create channel, and then the same YouTube channel that you use, and then head directly to your YouTube studio video, and then from there you will find all your videos under in the video section, and still you will see all your subscription, including as well your monetization or the income that you have there, and as well as you will see no videos. It will say you have no videos in the YouTube account. No, there is. So what you will do is you're going to your videos, click the videos button, and then click old. Straight away, everything it has been put into private automatically. So you have to turn it on into public again, so it will be shown back to your YouTube channel. So I hope this video helps you, and don't stress anymore, because I have proven it. I've been there and I solved the problem. I have gain back the channel of my daughter. So I wish you good luck. Anything that you did not understand, feel free to contact me and I will be replying to you with your comment, and I will help you through with it. Have a lovely day, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe.